Hey guys, Rob here. Gonna do a magna flux video. I got a head that came in, I think it was actually just before Christmas, but we just got it cleaned up in magna flux, and it's a good one to show you guys how the magna flux works. So for you guys that aren't familiar with this little head, it is off a 2.8 liter Ford, like Bronco 2 type of engine. So not many of those floating around, but guy was having problems with coolant going into the oil, and we definitely found the issue. So what we shall do here is I will show you guys how to do this. So, magna fluxing powder, the stuff that I use is like, you know, like, well, there's a bunch of different colors, but this is the stuff that I got this time anyways. So, pretty easy. This is just a magnet, electromagnet, and then you just take the magna fluxing powder and dust it over top. You don't have to get super carried away with it, but you need to get, you know, a liberal amount on there because you want to make sure that if there's a crack, you can see the crack. And then, so this head is definitely all cracked. And you'll be able to see it. So you can see it, see where the line is right there? It's bumped up. You can see where that line is there. That is a crack in the cylinder head. And the crack actually comes all the way over here and goes back down this side of the head. But that's what a magna flux looks like. And then so you, like, you know, obviously you find a crack like that, this head's junk. You're not gonna, you can fix cracks sometimes in certain spots. But honestly, lots of times for what castings are worth and stuff these days, to fix them, it's just not worth the time. But so anyways, that's all there is to magna fluxing. Now, there is some different types of magna fluxing. You can do wet mag, which is commonly used for crankshafts. And I don't have a wet mag. I actually send my cranks to the guys that grind my cranks. They have a wet mag, so I have them wet mag my cranks. And maybe one day I'll see if I can do a video up there for you guys of them grinding cranks and doing the wet mag. But I'll have to ask and see if they're into that or not. So anyways, real short one on this, but pretty simple, just how to magna flux and what it looks like. All right, like, subscribe, watch some other videos, and we'll catch you on the next one.